Hey there! Have you ever wondered how people make money from blogging? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your blog into a money-making machine. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. First things first, you need to choose your niche. This is the topic that your blog will focus on. It could be anything you're passionate about: tech, travel, health, or even personal finance. The key here is to pick something you love talking about and that has an audience interested in reading your content. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better. For example, instead of a broad food blog, you could focus on vegan recipes for beginners. A niche makes it easier to stand out and build a loyal audience. Step 2. Start your blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start your blog. You don't need to be tech savvy to set one up. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace make it easy to create a professional blog. You'll need a domain name, like www.yourblog.com, and hosting to get started. I recommend using Bluehost or SiteGround for affordable hosting. After that, pick a simple, attractive theme and start writing your first posts. Keep it engaging and valuable for your readers. Step 3. Build an audience. Now comes the fun part: building an audience. You want people to read and engage with your blog, right? Promote on social media. Share your blog posts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. SEO optimization. Use keywords related to your niche. Optimize your headlines and focus on writing content that helps solve problems. Grow your email list. Offer a free resource, like an ebook or cheat sheet, in exchange for visitors' emails. Having an email list is crucial for promoting your content and future products. Remember, consistency is key. Keep posting regularly and engage with your readers through comments or social media. Step 4. Monetize your blog. Now, let's talk about the fun part: making money. There are several ways to monetize your blog. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services in your blog posts, and when your readers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. For example, if you have a tech blog, you can promote gadgets on Amazon and earn a percentage of each sale. Display ads. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, you can join ad networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine to place ads on your blog. You'll get paid based on the number of views or clicks the ads get. Sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to write about their products or services in a blog post. This works well once your blog has a strong readership. Selling digital products. If you're an expert in your niche, you can create and sell ebooks, courses, or printable planners. Offer services. You can also offer consulting, coaching, or freelance writing services. If your blog is about personal finance, for example, you can offer money coaching sessions. Step 5. Scale and grow. To keep the money flowing, you need to scale your blog. As your audience grows, you can increase your content, experiment with new monetization methods, and even hire help. Outsource tasks like content writing, graphic design, or social media management to free up your time. Optimize for SEO. More and more so, you can get organic traffic from search engines like Google. The key is patience and consistency. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick venture, but with the right strategies, it can turn into a solid passive income stream. So those are the basic steps to make money with blogging. It's all about picking the right niche, building an audience, and then monetizing in creative ways. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep blogging and keep growing.